Welcome to the busy toy factory. Let's count gadgets. Subscribe to our Factory Fun for more math adventures. Today we are learning Toy Factory Math. Robot Face, can you build the toys? Robot Rusty is painting one wooden tree on the assembly line. The machine paints 3 more trees right next to it. How many trees are on the line now? Wow, 4 trees. You are a master builder. Chefbot has 5 yummy toy donuts ready to pack. The conveyor belt adds 3 more donuts to the box. How many donuts did we pack in total? Amazing, 8 donuts, you're super fast. The hangar has 5 toy helicopters waiting for paint. The factory sends 4 more helicopters down the belt. How many helicopters do we have now? Incredible, 9 helicopters, you're a math pro. We have 1 toy bird chirping on the shelf. The machine builds 1 more bird to join the fun. How many birds are there now? Yay, 2 birds, you're so smart. MonkeyBot is juggling 2 toy monkeys. The machine pops out 8 more toy monkeys. How many monkeys are there altogether? Bingo, 10 monkeys. You're a counting wizard. The factory floor has 5 toy helicopters ready to fly. The gadget machine adds 1 more helicopter to the set. How many helicopters total? Fantastic, 6 helicopters, great counting. We have 4 colorful toy umbrellas in the bin. The machine adds 6 more umbrellas to the pile. How many umbrellas do we have now? Super, 10 umbrellas, you're doing great. There is 1 shiny toy rocket on the launch pad. The factory adds 1 more rocket for the mission. How many rockets are ready to blast off? Zoom, 2 rockets, you're an expert. We have 3 toy Earth globes spinning around. The machine adds 2 more globes to the display. How many Earth globes are there? Perfect, 5 globes, you're amazing. There are 2 toy oranges in the sorting bin. The machine drops 1 more orange inside. How many oranges total? Sweet, 3 oranges, you're so clever. The bin is filling with 5 toy oranges. The machine adds 3 more oranges to the mix. How many oranges do we have now? Yay, 8 oranges, keep it up. We have 2 toy owls sitting on the shelf. The factory builds 4 more owls to join them. How many owls are there in total? Hoot hoot, 6 owls, you're brilliant. The shelf holds 2 bouncy toy balls. The machine adds 2 more balls to the shelf. How many balls are there now? Boing, 4 balls, excellent work. There is 1 toy ball waiting for the net. The machine shoots 5 more balls into the bin. How many balls in total? Score, 6 balls, you are a superstar. There are 3 little toy bees buzzing around. The factory adds 4 more busy bees. How many bees are there now? Buzz 7 bees, you're doing fantastic. The factory floor has 3 toy trucks ready to go. The machine adds 3 more trucks to the fleet. How many trucks total? Vroom 6 trucks, you're unstoppable. We have 1 toy truck rolling on the track. The factory builds 1 more truck to join the race. How many trucks are racing now? Nice 2 trucks, you're so fast. There is 1 toy truck waiting in line. The machine adds 3 more trucks to the line. How many trucks total? Wow, 4 trucks, you're a math hero. There are 4 pieces of toy candy in the jar. The machine adds 1 more candy piece. How many candies are in the jar? Yum, 5 candies, you're so smart. We have 2 toy kites ready to fly. The machine adds 7 more kites to the collection. How many kites are there now? High five, 9 kites, you're incredible. The factory has 2 toy pineapples ready to pack. The machine adds 4 more pineapples. How many pineapples total? Great, 6 pineapples, keep going. There are 3 toy balls in the basket. The machine adds 1 more ball. How many balls do we have? Awesome, 4 balls, you are a genius. There is 1 toy mushroom on the display. The machine adds 3 more mushrooms. How many mushrooms total? Super, 4 mushrooms, you're the best. We have 4 toy moons glowing in the dark. The machine adds 2 more toy moons. How many moons are glowing now? Shine on, 6 moons, you're fantastic. There are 3 toy fire engines at the station. The factory adds 5 more fire engines. How many fire engines are ready? Ding ding, 8 fire engines, you're amazing. Great job today, little builders. See you next time.